Hi everyone, welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Guys, D Dawn is at it again in the kitchen to do what? Chicken gizzard with some mixed vegetable. After you watch this recipe, guys, I'm telling you, you will never ever buy chicken gizzard again. You will be cooking your own. And to all my YouTuber supporters, subscriber, follower, a big warm welcome to you all. And if you are new here, please be sure to subscribe, like and share the video. Hit that notification bell so when D Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. Let's get started. 1 pound chicken gizzard, ½ pound mixed vegetable, 1 onion, 1 tomato, and this is a green tomato, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, and ½ teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and this is a perfect pinch. 1 teaspoon sesame powder, 1 tablespoon of cooking butter, 12 pimento seed or 18 9 cloves of cloves is like this, 9 cloves, thyme, some fresh thyme, a piece of ginger, half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 onion, pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, not looking so nice. It was in the refrigerator and it's like that, but it still have its value. It's still effective. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Guys, when you buy the chicken gizzard, do not just cook it as it is. You see all these things, this fat, you need to clean them off. You can trim it up or you cut them off. Just hold it and just pick it off with the knife, just like that. So you want to get the gizzard as clean as this. Look on the inside, like right here. You're just gonna use a knife and just clean it off. For instance, let me show you something. If in case you buy the gizzard and it look like this, what would you do? You can't cook the gizzard like this, so you know you have to take this thing out. You have to clean it out. So you just hold on it and you just hold it and you remove it, just like that. You know, first time we used to put it in water, hot water, to remove it. Like when we kill the chicken, they're growing up. But when you buy it, they already put it in hot water and all of that, so you don't need have to do that. So now that you remove this, you go on the outside, as I said before, and you remove any fatty substance that is on it. You see right here how it looking, not too pretty. So we're gonna cut this away, okay? So you place it on the cutting board and you're just gonna cut it away. If you notice, when you buy your chicken now, you don't even get gizzard in it, because this is what they do. They're making so much money off one chicken. They sell the gizzard separately, the liver separately, the chicken neck, and all of those. So I will be continue cleaning up all of this stuff here, and I'll be back with you guys as soon as I'm done. I'm gonna cut the lemon. Tell you what, guys, nowadays lemon is so expensive, you can't even buy it. And look at this, it don't even go inside. Luckily, I'm not using it for anything else more than to wash the gizzard. So I'm gonna squeeze the lemon in the water. You need a bowl of water, and then you're gonna place your chicken gizzard in. If you don't worry yourself about buying the lemon, you can use some vinegar. You know the chicken gizzard is very, very raw. So you just want to get all that rawness out of it. So rub it in the lemon water with the skin and all of that. And then we're gonna rinse this 2 more times. So remember, you can use vinegar or you can use lime. Lime is expensive too, it's following the lemon. Or you can use some salt. Pour off this water, and I'm gonna rinse 2 more times. So you wanna ensure you squeeze all the water from it. When you rinse it, squeeze the water from it. You know, sometimes some people cook chicken gizzard and give you, and it's so raw you can't eat it. You're wondering why it's so raw. But if they just use some lime or lemon and wash that chicken gizzard and clean it up, clean up all those impurities from it, it won't be like that. They use a lime and vinegar. So this is our ginger, our season. We're gonna work on this stuff now. So to remove the garlic from the skin, you're just gonna press on it until you hear it crack like that. After you hear that crack, you just hold it 1, 2, 3, everything is off. If you come like this, it's gonna take you a longer time to be peeling and taking out. You just press on it and remove the trash. Onion, you just wanna cut and remove the trash. Also just peel it off. My green tomato, ginger, the thyme, and the pepper. I'm just gonna use a piece of the pepper. This pepper is hot, and you just have to ensure you remove all the seed out. Else it's gonna be more spicy. So now that we prepare all of this, normally I have scallion, but I'm run out of scallion this morning, but the onion make up back, don't worry. So we gotta rinse all our seasoning now. I rinse the cloves and I rinse the pimento seed also. Okay, we're gonna chop up the onion. There is no wrong or right way. You can cut the onion any how you wanna cut it. Green tomato. And you can eat it just as it is, you know that, guys? Yeah. I'm gonna add this to the mixed vegetable over here. Cut the pepper. I'm gonna compress the garlic. If you don't have a compressor, you can just chop it. You can just chop it like that, but I'm gonna compress the garlic. and I'm gonna put it right on the chicken gizzard. The thyme, you're gonna add your thyme in, and you're just gonna cut just like that. You don't have to cut up the thyme fine. We're gonna put the cloves in, the pimento seed. You're gonna add your onion, your pepper, all-purpose, and the Cajun season for a pinch. Your salt, a pinch of salt, sazon, soy sauce, the ginger. You're gonna crush your ginger, pimento seed. You're gonna crush. Put the pimento seed in. Guys, you're watching the video today and you like what you see and you have not yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? Please be sure to like the video, share the video, hit that notification bell. So when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. And when you leave a comment, guys, just like. It's free to like the video. There is no charge. So now we season our chicken gizzard. You want to let this remain and for even 1 hour, 2 hour overnight, even better. But tell you what, time is against me, so I have no time for that. So we're heading now to the stove. So follow me, we're over to the stove. Alright, you have the pot on the fire, let it heat it. Then you're gonna add the butter in. Let the butter melt. After the butter melted, you're gonna come in with the chicken gizzard. So in the bowl that I seasoned, it's gonna rinse, and this is 2 cups of water. We're gonna add it in on the gizzard, and I'm gonna add 2 more cups of water. Guys, let me tell you something. The chicken gizzard is a dense and chewy muscle. Let me get some more water. Add the water in. So cooking it on high heat will only cause it to get tougher. Yeah, it will make it get toughened up even more. So you're gonna turn this fire down, and this is gonna take between 45 to 1 hour to cook. 45 minutes to 1 hour. So within 45 minutes I'll see you again, guys. So we're just gonna place the lid on the pot and turn the fire down, not too low, but give it a low heat, and I'll be back with you. In case you're wondering what happened to the mixed vegetable and the green tomato, you have to stick around to watch the video and you'll see what I'll be doing. And remember, I have 4 cups of water in it. 4 cups. If it need more before 45 minutes, then when I come back, I'll let you know. So it's 45 minutes now, guys, and let us see what's going on. Right? So now we're just gonna add, remember, the green tomato and your mixed veg. You're gonna add it in. And then it's gonna stir. And I'm just gonna give this 5 more minutes because the mixed veg is already tender. It easily cooks. It takes between 4 to 5 minutes to cook. So just give this 5 more minutes Then I see you again. One more thing, you can add some tomato ketchup. Just like 1 to 2 tablespoons. And it's time for me to remove the chicken gizzard. We're gonna test it first to see if it cooks. And how do you know that your chicken gizzard is cooked? You see, everything is on the fork, and you can see, let me show you the teeth of the fork right here. So you know your chicken gizzard, it's not rubbery, it's a muscle, and if it's not cooked properly, it will be tough. So you have to ensure that once you follow the Dan way of cooking, it will cook soft and tender. So the fork, so the teeth right there. So our chicken gizzard is ready, but don't go away, don't move a muscle. So this is it, guys. Our chicken gizzard with mixed vegetable is now ready for eating, and on the plate it's lay on some lettuce leaf. Ain't it looking delicious? So why not go ahead and give it a try? I know you will enjoy this. You can pack it, you can take it for lunch, you can have it for rice and bean, you can have it with cream potato, bread, anything you want to have it with. Yam, green banana. I know once you do this and you taste it, you will never ever go out and buy chicken gizzard again. You will start to make your own. So beautiful people, remember to thumbs up, like up the video. Don't just comment and don't like up the video, let the like goes up, and subscribe. Share the video, don't keep it for yourself. Share it, send it to your friend, family, relative, co-worker, and subscribe. Hit the bell so when I do a video, you'll be the first one to know. And I want to tell you something, guys. I love you, and please take care of yourself, and I see you on the next one. Peace and love all the time. And remember, let us give an eye out for each other. Let us be our brother's keeper. D Dan saying, one love. I see you again.